How's it going, guys? I hope you're all having a fantastic day. For this week's build, I thought it was time to finally get another saber done. I know it's been a while and I know you've all been patiently waiting. So let's get started. Today's saber is Adi Mundi's clan hilt. This saber hilt was also used by Anakin on Geonosis in Attack of the Clones, where it adorned a green blade. I do intend to make all the clan hilts eventually, so this one will be added to my collection along with the Plo Koon hilt.
Your lightsabers will make a fine addition to my collection.
There's a lot of machining in today's build, so in the meantime, let's talk about the clan hilts themselves. I recently did a video on the second channel about why clan sabers have really practical designs, so you should check that out. So what are clan sabers? Well, basically, they are stock lightsaber hilts that background and even some main characters use. For example, General Grievous. When you're watching the prequels, if you have a look at what saber hilts all the background Jedi are using, you will see a lot of the same hilts used over and over. So let's get back to the build. I wasn't too happy with the emitter head, as I didn't have any stock in the correct size, so I had to machine the rings separately, but I ended up adding some grub screws and it worked out just fine. That's the emitter done. Next, I moved on to the main body. I still had a piece of aluminum left over from the dark ray build, so I just used that. Diameter was around 38 millimeters, and I took it down to 36 and added the details. I decided to use my parting tool to create the grip section. I used a 2mm end mill to create all the details. The cuts weren't very clean as it was an old bit, so I'll probably get a new one for the next build. I ended up looking around in some old part boxes and found a few buttons I could use with this saber. And that's the main part done. The pommel for this saber is very simple, so I'll just let this part play as it is self-explanatory. That's the pommel done. Now we have all our saber parts done. Let's start assembling and weathering. I'm just going to paint the hilt with a flat black and use a Scotch-Brite pad to remove most of the paint. This will give me the black detail lines. I was originally going to have this as a stunt saber, as clan hilt designs, like I said, are quite durable. But because I had to make the emitter into separate pieces, I'll probably just use this as a display hilt. It's a shame too because the size and feel of this saber is great. And that should wrap up this project. Now I've got 2 clan hilts.
This is getting out of hand. Now there are 2 of them.
I will be doing more of the clan hilts in the future, so make sure you stay tuned for them.
What about the droid attack on the Wookiees?
I hope you enjoyed today's build. If you did, please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, leave a like and a comment of something you would like to see done in a future build. Have a good one, guys. I see you've made it to the end. Why don't you subscribe and check out some of our other builds? Go on. What are you waiting for?